focus on self-exploration and discovering our true self. Today, we embark on a journey of introspection, reflection, and growth. It is time to delve deep within ourselves and uncover the essence of who we truly are. Before we begin our exploration, let's take a moment to connect with ourselves and create a calm and welcoming environment. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. To make our day astounding, here comes Hearty Himanshu and is telling Sakshi for a tour.
Be your true self, no one will able to destroy your character.
It suggests that being authentic and genuine with others will strengthen your character. In other words, when you are open and honest about who you truly are, nobody can damage your character. Thank you.
Cheers, men, for that smashing thought-provoking insight. Now, for updating us with current affairs, I would like to call Accurate Aryan, Yogi Yuvraj, and cameraman Notorious Google for news headlines.
International news. Russian-Chinese official joined Kim Jong-un at North Korean military parade. National news. 2 key marched without debate in Lok Sabha. Supreme Court gives no relief to Umar Ansari in hate speech.
Sports news. Rohit Sharma Rahul Dravid and Sachin Agarkar need to watch rerun of India beating Australia in 2011 World Quarters. Cricket World Cup online ticket sales could begin by August 10. Physical tickets need to enter stadium. Thank you.
School news. Next CCA will be held on 16th of August, which is Ordino based.
Here is a lexicon with some power word. Our first power word is percussionist. Percussionist. Percussionist.
Its meaning is a person who plays instruments such as drum.
Our next power word is resonance. 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 Its meaning is echo of sound.
Third and last power word is yourself. J-O-S-E-L.
Its meaning is push roughly.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our skit is about a very well-known percussionist England Gladys said to the sound without hearing it. God may have taken her really, but God has given her back something extraordinary. One Fox, Akansha is Evelyn's mother, Prati is teacher, and Nitika is doctor. Evelyn, a girl who fought against her physical disability and made her life a success story. So here comes scene 1, music classes. Evelyn, at the age of 11, is learning musical instruments with her peer group when her teacher called her name but she doesn't. Evelyn, can you hear me? Evelyn, come try to play this instrument. Evelyn. Then here comes the situation where the teacher told Evelyn's mother about her deafness and advised them to consult with a specialist. Here comes scene 2, Doctor's Cabinet. Here, Evelyn with her mother, Isabel, visits the doctor, where the doctor discovered that Evelyn's hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. Her doctor advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to the school for them. Everything suddenly looked black, but Evelyn was not going to give up. She determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. So here comes scene 3, a turning point comes in Evelyn's life. When Evelyn wanted to play xylophone, her teacher discouraged her, saying that she could not play xylophone because of her deafness. When everyone demotivated her, discouraged her, Ron Fox, a percussionist, supported her potential and made her understand that looking for your real self and how to know your real self. He said, my dear Evelyn, don't sense music through ears, try to sense it through other body parts. Yes, I can feel the vibration of drum. I realized I could feel the higher drum from the west up and lower drum from the west down. Ron Fox repeated the exercise. Soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense and notes in different parts of her body. She had to to open her mind and body to sounds and vibration, and the rest was sheer determination and hard work. She never